Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopee M02 problem. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, how do we fix this problem? Well, in this case, there's going to be a few reasons why this issue is appearing. So first things first is you have to ensure that you have the latest version of the app. Sometimes not having the latest version of the app can cause issues when you're using it. Now in this case, make sure to visit Google Play Store or the App Store, and from then on, you should be able to search for Shopee, and if you see the button that says update, go ahead and just click on it to update the app itself. Now once it's updated, go ahead and click on open or open the app and see if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, well, there's still a few things that you can do here. So first things first, locate the Shopee app, press and hold on it, click on app info, and from here, what we need to do is just click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, click on clear cache, click on OK, and from here, click on force stop if you see it highlight, or basically close the Shopee app first. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up again and see if that solves the issue. Now, another note to take in consideration here is to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Sometimes not having a stable interconnection can cause problems on the app itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.